Bandit, Silver Bullet Express money train is rolling. Choo 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 choo. Next stop is Moneyville. Only 25 seats on this Silver Express money train. In VIP section. Seat number 1 is Claude. Seat number 2, Thomas. Seat number 3, Brian. Seat number 4, Ben. Booking their seats with the donation on PayPal. Moneymaker Bandit, thanks you all for your support, your respect, and appreciation. Brian, actually, with the first ever fade donation. Brian said, I faded your Auburn, South Carolina game, Bandit. Choo choo, choo choo. Next stop, Moneyville, Bandit. Thank you. That's Brian. Bandit had South Carolina on the money line first half. Brian went on the fade train to Moneyville, choo chooing. 57-42 Auburn, 15-point blowout to the half. And Brian shows his respect and makes a donation. Thanks, Brian. Shout out to Brian with the fade game. Bandit always told you, there's fade players out there. There's fade players. You're making money out there. Make a donation. That's why Bandit's always saying, fade Bandit. That was a quarter unit game. And he's fading it and making money and making a donation. All right. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, make a donation, support the channel. It's good karma for you, and it's good karma for Bandit. Okay. January 24th. Time for some Bandit recap show. Time for the Bandit recap. Bandit was 3-0, number 1 plays. We're going back a bit. Then Bandit went 4-0 on his 4-unit plays. I remember Bandit got upset, kicked all of you out of his cafe. Said, you all can get the fuck out. Bandit's cafe. Now what do you have? Who's gonna lose, Bandit said. Who's gonna lose? Bandit kicks you out of his cafe. Bandit still has his number 1 best plays. Still has number 2 best plays. Bandit's 2-unit plays. Bandit still has 4-unit locks and 8-unit locks. What do you have? You have your credit card. You're going across the street to Phony George and Eve Stevens. Phony George and Eve Stevens. Y'all know who I'm talking about. And you're paying $100 USD just to get in the door. And Bandit's over here in his cafe with JP and Claude. Still has 4 units locks and 8-unit locks and 2-unit locks. And what happened since then? Oh, since then, Bandit kicks you out. Wednesday, Bandit 4-unit Phoenix blowout winner, NBA. Thursday, 4-unit LA winner. 4-unit winner, LA. Oh, you all missed out. You were kicked out of Bandit's cafe. LA 105, minus 105 to the half odds. They're won by 6 points. Thursday. No, that's Thursday, LA. Okay. Hold on. Friday, 2-unit Atlanta blowout winner. Okay. Saturday, 2-unit Amir Beasy, UFC. Last minute. Bandit throws it out. Were any of you on it? Did you have your bell notification on? Saturday, 4-unit Denver, minus 140, money line. 120-112, double overtime winner. Okay. 8-unit Conor McGregor gets upset. Okay, you're going to count that against Bandit? Conor McGregor gets up. And none of you had 8 units on Conor McGregor. What'd you have? 2, 3 units. That's it. Bandit had 6 units on it. It's not even 8 units for Bandit. Bandit had $668 on Conor McGregor to win 200. Bandit's $100 unit player. So that's not even 8 units for Bandit. That's 6 units. So, and NHL guy with the 6-3 blowout winner. NHL guy is 7-4. Okay? So Bandit's record going back was 1-1-1, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 4-4-4-4. Bandit gets upset, kicks you all out of the cafe, right? What did Bandit say? He's still going to have his winners. Still going to have his 2 unit lock of the day winners, 4 unit lock of the day winners. Kicks you out, gets upset. What does Bandit do next? Bandit goes, not counting Conor. We won't count Conor, okay? Bandit goes Wednesday, 4 unit winner. Thursday, 4 unit winner. Friday, 2 unit winner. Saturday, Amir Abizi, 2 unit winner. UFC. 4 unit Denver Nuggets winner. And 1 unit winner on hockey guy. 6-3 blowout winner. Okay? So Bandit, not counting Conor. Okay? Bandit's 1-1-1 units. 4-4-4-4 units. Winners. 4-4-2-2-4-1. All winners. Not counting Conor. Okay? Okay, count Conor 3-4 units. Okay? And you're wondering why Bandit was getting upset when you all were disrespecting Bandit, not showing any respect, not showing any appreciation. And you're all thinking, who is this guy? Who's he? Well, if you don't know, now you know who Bandit is. Okay? Now you know. 1-1-1, 4-4-4, 4-4-2-2-4-1. Okay? Not counting Conor. You're going to hold that against Bandit? Conor McGregor gets upset at minus 135, 140. I mean, 135. 335, 340. Conor McGregor gets upset. You're going to hold that against Bandit? Against Bandit's record? Come on. You can't even count that. Money train's been rolling, man. 3-0, number 1, best place. Bandit goes 4-0, 4 unit place. Okay? Gets upset. Bandit gets upset. Okay, then Bandit goes 1-1-1, 4-4-4-4. Right? 4-4-2-2-4-1. Not counting Conor. Come on. Show some, even for last night, 2 unit NBA winner. Tonight, Bandit with the last minute UFC Alabizi winner. Okay? Denver, 4 unit, minus 140. Double overtime winner. Okay? NHL guy, 6-3 winner. NHL guy, 7-4 now. And there's not counting Conor. Not even thinking about Conor. At 340 upset loser. Not even count. I know none of you had 8 units on that. You had 2-3 units. That's it. So all the Bandits record. Come on, add it all up. Come on, even tonight, Bandit better see some donations, so see some respect. Say thank you, Bandit. Thank you for that, 2 unit winner, Amir Abizi, or I missed it, but thanks. That was a good pick. Or, thanks for Denver. Thanks last night for Atlanta, 2 unit play. It's not like Bandit's putting out all these are all winners. Bandit's not putting out. Is Bandit putting out, I'm plus 5 on 4 unit plays? These are all winners. Bandit's putting out, when Bandit went 3-0 on number 1 best place, He only put out 3 picks. It's not like Bandit went, put at 8 picks and was +3. Was +3 on number 1. Bandit only put out 3 picks. Number 1 place. When Bandit went 4-0 after that on 4-unit plays, Bandit didn't. We're not talking Bandit went +4 4-unit plays. Bandit only put out 4-unit plays. Went 4-0. Okay, not like Bandit was 10-6. He put out 16 plays, went 10 wins, 6 losses. Said, oh, I'm +4 on 4-unit lock. No, Bandit put out 3 number 1 best plays, went 3-0. Bandit put out 4-unit plays, went 4-0. Okay, all these other plays. Then Bandit goes Wednesday, 4-unit Phoenix blowout winner. What did Bandit put out 3 plays and went +1 on the day on 4? No, Bandit put out 1 4-unit play winner. Thursday, LA Lakers. Bandit put out 1 4-unit play winner. Okay. Friday, what did Bandit put out 3 plays? Go +1 on 4? No, Bandit put out 1 NBA play. Atlanta blowout winner. Okay. Saturday, Bandit put out Amir Abizi 2-unit play. Okay. Bandit put out a 4-unit play. Amir winner. Next stop Moneyville. Okay. Bandit put out Denver 4 units. Winner. Next stop Moneyville. Okay. We won't even count counter. Okay. Bandit put out NHL guy 6-3. 6-3 blowout winner. Okay. If you don't know, now you know. Okay. One, 4, 4, 4, 4. Gets upset. 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 1. Okay. That's it. Anyways, money train's rolling. Choo 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 choo. Next stop, Moneyville. Better see some respect too coming. Because if you're gonna hold Conor McGregor against Bandit, all right. Anyways, here we go. College basketball Sunday, December 24th. Davidson versus Massachusetts early bird special. Bandits early bird special. Bandits playing Davidson. First half money line. Davidson first half money line. Will you fade or no fade? Bandits first half money line. Anyways, what else we got? That's about it. Bandit said everything he wants to say. All right, Moneymaker out.